it's Sia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my favorite winter drink, and that is hot chocolate. But this is not just any random hot chocolate. It's delicious, it's healthy, and best of all, only has a few ingredients. So let's get straight into this recipe. To make this healthy hot chocolate, you will need 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2.5 teaspoons of dark cacao powder, half a glass of almond milk, half a glass of water, and finally 3 teaspoons of pure maple syrup. First, in a saucepan, add half a glass of water, and then half a glass of almond milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Next, add 2.5 teaspoons of dark cacao powder. And finally, 3 teaspoons of pure maple syrup. Now give it a whisk and heat your hot chocolate. Pour it into your serving glass or mug, and there you go. You can also add coconut cream on top. I hope you enjoyed this video and will try out this recipe. If you have tried this recipe, please make sure to share it with others. And you can subscribe to my channel by pressing here. And if you would like to watch more videos from me, press here. Bye!